Mastering Monk Mode, a comprehensive guide to transforming your life and achieving success. The transformative journey of self-discovery and financial prosperity often requires more than just a casual commitment. In this in-depth exploration, we delve into the concept of Monk Mode, a strategic and structured approach that has not only shaped my personal journey, but has also been embraced by countless individuals seeking to reclaim control over their lives. This is Ash Cash Tash, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Defining Monk Mode. Monk Mode isn't just another passing self-help trend. It stands as a structured framework with the power to cleanse and rejuvenate life, creating a foundation for profound success. This transformative methodology has proven instrumental in the success stories of participants in my online business program. Through this program, we guide individuals on a journey to initiate and scale their ventures, incorporating the principles of Monk Mode. At its core, Monk Mode encourages a holistic approach to personal and professional development. Participants immerse themselves in periods of intense focus, eliminating distractions and prioritizing self-discovery. This intentional isolation from external noise allows individuals to tap into their inner resources, fostering creativity, resilience, and a heightened sense of purpose. The result is not only enhanced productivity, but a profound shift in mindset that sets the stage for sustainable success. The impact of Monk Mode extends beyond a temporary lifestyle adjustment. It becomes a catalyst for lasting change, instilling habits and perspectives that empower individuals in their pursuit of personal and professional goals. This intentional and structured approach serves as a guiding light for those navigating the complexities of entrepreneurship, offering a transformative journey toward fulfillment and achievement. Components of Monk Mode. At the core of Monk Mode lies a triad of non-negotiables, each contributing significantly to mental clarity, unwavering discipline, and holistic well-being. 10 minutes of daily meditation. The impact of meditation is not an instant realization, but a gradual unfolding. Consistent practice over time instills a profound sense of calmness, diminishes distracting daily commitment to just 10 minutes of meditation stands as a foundational pillar, contributing to the holistic well-being of individuals. Meditation, in its essence, is a journey inward. It is a deliberate act of carving out a brief yet significant period for self-reflection and mental clarity. As individuals engage in this practice daily, they cultivate a resilience to external stressors and an enhanced ability to navigate life's challenges with a centered and composed demeanor. The subtle yet transformative effects of meditation become evident in the overall quality of one's thoughts, actions, and emotional well-being. The simplicity of dedicating a mere 10 minutes to meditation is intentional within the Monk Mode framework. It underscores the accessibility of this practice, making it achievable for individuals with varying schedules and commitments. This deliberate inclusion emphasizes the notion that incorporating mindfulness need not be arduous, but can be a gentle and sustainable journey toward inner peace and mental fortitude. 30 minutes of daily exercise. Monk Mode, acknowledging the inseparable connection between physical and mental well-being, advocates for a daily commitment to exercise. This can take the form of a vigorous workout, a reflective walk, or any preferred physical activity. This practice is deemed indispensable within the Monk Mode journey, serving as a cornerstone for maintaining equilibrium and vitality. The emphasis on daily exercise within the Monk Mode protocol underscores the holistic approach to well-being. Physical activity is not merely seen as a means to sculpt the body, but as a fundamental element in cultivating a sound mind. Regular exercise has been scientifically proven to release endorphins, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive function. By incorporating this practice into daily life, individuals in Monk Mode harness the synergistic benefits of physical and mental fitness. The flexibility in choosing the form of exercise aligns with the personalized nature of Monk Mode, Recognizing that individuals have diverse preferences and fitness levels, the framework encourages a tailored approach to physical activity. Whether it's a high-intensity workout, a serene yoga session, or a brisk walk in nature, the overarching goal is to foster a sustainable routine that contributes to both the physical and mental rejuvenation integral to the monk mode philosophy. Abstinence from alcohol and recreational substances. Achieving mental clarity requires eliminating substances that cloud judgment. The deliberate choice to abstain from alcohol and recreational substances during monk mode creates an environment conducive to personal growth and self-discovery. Why monk mode works. Monk mode is not about achieving a precarious balance in life. It's about complete immersion in guaranteeing success. By committing to this structured framework, individuals create an environment that nurtures focus, resilience, and disciplined action. The results are not merely observable, but often transformative, setting the stage for enduring success. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Customizing monk mode. What sets monk mode apart is its adaptability. While the three non-negotiables remain constant, individuals are encouraged to stack additional variables based on personal goals and preferences. This flexibility allows for a personalized monk mode experience that aligns seamlessly with individual needs, ensuring a more enriching and sustainable journey. The power of action-based goals. Monk mode introduces a paradigm shift by emphasizing action-based goals rather than fixating solely on outcomes. This approach acknowledges the role of luck and external factors in life while empowering individuals to control their actions. Goals tied to specific actions become more manageable, quantifiable, and conducive to sustained success. Unlocking the potential of monk mode. Monk mode, as a transformative tool, is not a one-size-fits-all doctrine. Its potency lies in its ability to be harnessed and customized according to individual circumstances. Whether pursued for a dedicated 6-month stretch or integrated into cycles throughout the year, monk mode has the potential to redefine your approach to success. In navigating life's complexities, monk mode stands as a formidable tool for self-improvement and achieving financial goals. This comprehensive guide aims to eliminate the intricacies of monk mode, demonstrating its adaptability, power, and potential for unlocking your full capabilities. Remember, monk mode is not a restrictive doctrine. It's a versatile tool that, when wielded effectively, can catalyze profound transformations in your life. If you've found value in this comprehensive exploration of monk mode, I encourage you to express your thoughts by liking this video, subscribing for more enriching content, and turning on post notifications. Additionally, share your experiences. Thank you for joining me in this extensive discussion. If you're hungry for more knowledge and content, once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.